Chris, careful, you know.
Hey guys, what's up? We're on another fun day today. As you can see, we have a lot of games around. However, we won't be playing those. We'll be doing some jumping at the factory. What happened? What happened?
We put in several songs.
Oh. Alright guys, so we're gonna put on our socks and get off the jackets. And then we're gonna start the jumping pool. Huh? Oh, you must put on him socks? Oh. You want to go jump?
You want to jump? You want to look? Jay, what my grandma see you around there?
You want to take off him sweater?
Yeah. Because I'm not going to get sweaty.
Hey, you excited? How are you going to jump on the trampoline? How? Yes, how are you going to jump on it? Show us. Yeah? Go again. Do a big one. Go out there and do a big one. 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah! Alright, Papa, save the energy. Save the energy, alright? High five. Let's go. Wait, I'm coming. Come here. Here we go, people. Here we go. Alright. Alright guys, we're going in. We're jumping all the way. Hey, now wait, you know. See Jay and Jace over there? Yeah. Look at Samuel, jump. Yeah. You can jump off? Yeah. Go, Samuel. Go in there. Alright, so there's a lot of music, so we might have to just put something over this. Alright? But we're going to be jumping right now.
Chris, careful, you know. Chris, make him move. Got it? Sam?
Guys, I'm too old for this, you know? I leave it to someone when I stop jumping and coming here. But me, yeah, someone I can't get more time.
Hey, je bent aan mij. What? What should he do? Fall?
Fall?
Get out the way, Sam. Get out the way.
Somebody wants a turn. Guys, when someone reach home later, you have to go sleep out the whole evening. No question about it. Yeah. Well, the good thing is that he's enjoying himself. That's the greatest thing right now. Once he's happy, then we're good. I'm sure it makes you guys happy as well. I'm sure.
What is this?
De-stress.
Yeah, de-stress.
After all the playing, after relax and muscles.
So, it got something to your foot? I see no movement. I can see the movement at the back and when he was doing the neck part.
So at the factory there's also a flight simulator. That should be fun. Now the arcade section right here. We've been playing so many arcade games since we've been here, so this one we won't be trying today. Just giving you guys a walkthrough of what is actually here. Yeah. So if you're in Alabama or you plan to visit Alabama, Gulf Shore or Foley, you guys can just come check out the factory. It's a really nice place. Have some fun, hang out with the family, chill. They also have the climbing section over here. So the rock climbing, I climb all the way to the top. It's a lot of fun, guys. So have a lot of fun. So you jump, you climb. Nice place. So yeah, you guys can check it out, and as you know, all good things come to an end. All good things. So we'll leave it now. Link you guys when we get home, okay? Robot. Come. Alright, come, let's go. Here come. Sorry. Alright. Well, I'll show them then. Gone off? Yeah. Come on. And Samuel is leaving the factory. Samuel, what did you make today? Huh?
Chocolate chips.
Yes, people, so we reached back from the factory now. I know I have to look at my little friends them in iPad. Look for the ducks them. Today is a better day, as you can see. No jacket, no sweater, no tam, nothing. Good weather today. So we're just enjoying it on the outside, sun hot and nice. Place still feel cool, but we can't live with it. But the ducks them will leave when I come. Alright, hold on, I'm showing you duck them. Got them enjoying themselves in the water. I should I can't go in the water there now. Look cool out. Eh? Water is supposed to still cool, you know. And that's how they enjoy themselves. So. Yeah. Place is nice and pretty. Nice sunny day. So Audrey take a little walk.
Yeah,
In our sleeveless, I think I tell them they say weather nice today.
good weather, good weather.
So I go chill for your side there in the afternoon or now. No, there's nothing else for today. So you know it go. We just link up another time. Hope you guys enjoy the video of the factory. Like I say, if you are in Alabama, plan to come to Alabama. If you have kids, it's a nice little place to hang out. You can get a massage while they're jumping or climbing. Just can enjoy yourself, find something nice and make it a trip. So catch you guys on the other side of this video. Go in and go look some food, get some rest and just chill for you there. So later we link. Peace out guys. Later.